Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit impromptu. I'm gonna be doing a different type of video. So first of all, y'all notice I look awful. The camera quality is a little bit different. The mic quality might be a little bit different also. Recently I've seen a bunch of YouTubers and like influencers do videos on this brand called Function of Beauty, and they're like, oh my god, I love this shampoo and conditioner, it saved my life. So I kind of wanted to put it to the test and see if it will actually work. So I ordered mine, I don't know how long ago, a week, but I did order it a while ago, and I wanted to see if this customizable shampoo and conditioner actually works for my hair. If you're unaware, Function of Beauty specializes in customizing a shampoo and conditioner duo for you that will suit your hair type. It will target your hair concerns and kind of aid them in a way. And I want to see if this will work because lately I've been having a lot of issues with my hair. My scalp gets very oily. I don't know if you'll be able to see in this lighting, but my scalp is like super oily. See, like you can even see from this angle, it just looks so oily and so greasy. I don't know what's going on. So I'm just gonna put my hair up for right now, and I am going to unbox this for you guys. Sorry if I look absolutely horrible. Also, look at my shirt. Let's get this bread, bitch. So I think it's cute that it says my name on it. That's pretty cute. That's definitely a nice touch, even though it's probably just a sticker. I think that's really, really nice. So I just opened it, and this is what it looks like. It comes with stickers. Oh, that's nice. These are going to be cute for my planner. It just comes with these stickers right here. It also comes with, oh, it wrote down in here what it's supposed to do. I think this is a really nice touch, to be honest. Basically it says my name on it, again, the whole Function of Alex thing that's happening, yes, and then it tells me what my hair is like. So for me, I chose that I have curly hair, I have curly fine hair, but the only thing that I really screwed up on is I said I had a normal scalp, which I don't. I have a very, very oily scalp, which is something that I need to fix, but I'm stupid and I didn't put that on my quiz. My goals is to make sure all my frizz goes away, have oil control, thermal protection, curl definition, and shine, and the scent is Nude Peach. So that's awesome. I like that they included that in there. Another thing that they included, even though I technically bought, but it's something that really upset me because I thought that they were going to be full, is I bought this shampoo and conditioner travel duo. They recommend these at checkout, but I thought they were going to be full of shampoo and conditioner, but I guess they're not, and I feel like that is really expensive for 2 pieces of silicone. Plus I don't really travel that much, so this is kind of like useless to me, and I'm kind of annoyed that it was even like basically added on to my basket. You kind of just have to say, no, I don't want this. That's something that I was really annoyed by. And then this is the shampoo and conditioner. I paid $50, and I think I paid $65 Canadian for these bottles. These are the 8 ounces, the 8 fluid ounces. I want to smell it and see if it smells good. It also comes with pumps. They're in the bottom here. So this is the pump that goes in the shampoo and conditioner. And I also think it's a nice touch how it also includes your name on the bottle. I think that is so cute. So I got mine just in blue because I think that's really pretty, and I want to smell it. So let's do that. Oh, there's a silicone stopper on it. That actually smells really good. It smells like those Scooby-Doo gummies, like back in the day. Wow, that's really nice. So what I am going to do now is, because you guys saw how oily my scalp is, like I said, I really want to put these to the test and see if they do work. So what I'm going to do right now is go have a shower, and then I'll report back to you in a little bit, but I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm back now. I just did my skincare routine, and for all y'all that are waiting for that video, don't worry, it's coming. I have to say that I love how my hair is feeling right now. The shampoo that I used to use before was Redken All Soft, which is a salon brand shampoo, and this feels like honestly comparable to that. My hair feels really soft. It's not tangled. One thing I noticed that when I was actually washing my hair was that after I shampooed it, it didn't feel knotty, because sometimes that's how my hair will feel because it is curly, and it didn't knot when I was rinsing it out, which was really nice. Because that usually happens with my current shampoo and conditioner. I also want to say that when I did shampoo and conditioner my hair today, I put the conditioner on my scalp just to see how it would react, because one of the claims that I wanted it to do was protect against oil, so I want to see if that will actually help. But this is my first update. I really like how my hair is feeling. I'm not going to style it or anything tonight. It is 6:30 right now, so I might update you guys in a few hours and let you know if I do like totally love this for the first day. That's all I have to say for right now. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day and it's 6:30 right now. I'm just gonna do like a quick update. I definitely noticed that my hair quality is like kind of improved. My hair feels softer. It doesn't feel like day after hair, which I like. And I noticed that my scalp isn't as oily as it usually is. Like around this time it would be like grease city. But I did put in some dry shampoo. I used the Garnier Fructis dry shampoo. This has 0 silicone in it, which I do like this one. I am open to recommendations. But I did use that one. But usually when I put on dry shampoo, when I put dry shampoo in my hair, it just doesn't feel great, and it just feels like crunchy in a way. But I put it in today and it doesn't feel like that. I also noticed my hair has a lot of volume compared to when I use my other shampoo, so I really like this. I'm not going to update you guys, but I will update you tomorrow when I have spent the entire day with dirty hair. So we'll see you then. So it's day 3. I just got out of the shower. I did my skincare and I put some product in my hair. I'm just going to show you what I use because y'all might be interested. I don't know. So because I am going to be straightening my hair today, I used my Stylista smoothing serum. I mentioned this in a favorites video. I think that this is a really great smoothing serum for your hair. Keeps your hair straight all day and helps it straighten, which is great. I really don't want to finish this up, but I don't really have a choice. I really like this stuff, but I cannot get it, so I have to order it from Amazon, like the US one, so I'm going to have to pay a little bit more for it. Or I can buy from Ulta. I guess I could buy a few bottles so I don't run out. This is the evanyc Made Magic 10-in-1 hair primer. This is like my favorite hair product in the entire world. So I put those 2 in my hair. I'm just trying to make my hair dry quicker. I know the evanyc spray works, so I know it's not going to like do anything different to my hair. The Stylista one is also really good for straightening. So today the curling aspect of my shampoo won't really come into effect because it won't matter. Now let's talk about how my hair feels. I really like how it's feeling, to be honest. It still feels very lightweight. It's very silky, super soft. There's a little bit more body to it and a little bit more weight. It does, like, obviously it has a lightweight feel to it, but on my head it's a little bit heavier. Like, it definitely gives it more bounce, if that makes any sense, because before my hair would kind of just like stick out and be like very frizzy, but because it has that antifrizz aspect, I think that's why my hair has a little bit more body and bounce. But so far I'm really liking it. Like I said, it is day 3, so we still have 4 more days to go to see if I like it. We'll check in with you guys tonight. Like I said, I am going to be styling my hair today, so I just want to like update you guys at the end of the night to show you how my hair is reacting. I'm also going to be styling my hair tomorrow morning, so I'll update you guys before I do that. It might be a really quick update because I work like kind of early-ish in the morning, but that's fine. But yeah, I will update you guys then. We're back. I just did my hair, I did my makeup, and now we're going to briefly talk about how my hair is feeling. So I straightened my hair today, obviously. And I really like how it feels. I don't necessarily see a difference, like in how it's straightened. I did notice that after I had like blow dried my hair, it was like really puffy. I think the issue with that was that I let my hair air dry for a little bit and then I went in and I straightened my hair, and usually I don't do that. But in regards to like how my hair feels after I straightened it, it's very soft, it's very smooth. I don't really feel any tangles going through, and usually my hair gets really tangled. I noticed that my hair straightened a lot easier. Like I was done within like 5 minutes. My hair is really thin, so it doesn't take that long to straighten, but it did take a shorter amount of time than it usually does, so that's nice. I also find that it's not getting tangled as much, and I also find that, like I said before, there's a little bit of bounce. There's not much frizz. Usually when I straighten my hair there's like a shit ton, but like I don't see a lot. Also, it's like completely staying down, because if I were to go like this, it would like move up, but it doesn't do that, which I like, and which is really nice. I also find that my hair is like pretty shiny. You literally can't tell because like my room is kind of dark right now. I could sit in front of the window, but then my background would look like shit. Anyways, my hair is like really, really, really shiny. My hair was shiny to begin with, but yeah. So I thought I would update you guys, and I'll see you later to show you how my hairstyle wore. Okay, hey guys, I'm gonna be multitasking today just because I need to boogie and get to work. But I will explain to you what I have done to my hair. One thing that I noticed is that my hair is falling out less. It used to fall out in clumps, but now it's falling out in just like strands. Like it's only like 1 or 2, maybe 3 pieces of hair per shower instead of an entire clump. And I think that's awesome, because that's something that I also wanted to try and subdue, but I didn't know how I could go about that. So that is great. I also noticed that when I didn't put conditioner near my scalp, my hair didn't get as oily as quickly, and I feel like that's a given, but because I'm a stupid bitch, I did it anyways. Another thing is today I'm going more of like a curly hairstyle. I'm not gonna straighten my hair, so to help intensify the curls along with the shampoo, I use the L'Oreal Stylista defining spray. This is actually really good. Like I said in my favorites video, I've been using the smoothing serum, and both of these are actually amazing. I like how they're I have one for each hairstyle. As you can tell, I really have been liking this one right here, because I've gone through it a little bit. That's like not a lot, but whatever. And then the smoothing serum, obviously you can tell I've been liking that one as well. I think that's really all I had in regards to updates. My hair wasn't oily this morning. Again, my hair just feels like super soft and smooth, and I'm really happy with that. I will update you guys later when my hair is dried, when it's the end of the day, so I can show you how like the curls held up, because like I said, when I first started this video, curl enhancing is one of those, is a claim that the shampoo is supposed to have, so it should help enhance my curls a little bit, but I don't know if you'll be able to tell because I did put this defining spray in, but hopefully you'll be able to see, and I will update you guys in like 2 seconds. Okay, hey guys, what's good? I just got back from work. And as you know, like you saw in the last clip, I curled my hair for today. So it did curl very nicely, which I am super happy with. You can't really tell in this light, but it's like super curled. It was super curly all day, and I'm very happy with how it did curl. Part of the reason, I think, is because I did use this defining spray like I mentioned earlier. This definitely helped my hair curl, but even on its own, I did see it kind of like scrunching up into a really nice curl. You're gonna hear that a lot. I'm trying to stop. But right now I'm gonna take off my makeup, put my hair up and everything. So yeah, I probably won't update you guys tomorrow before I wash my hair, because there's not really a point, and it's kind of getting repetitive, but that's just what I wanted to mention. I also wanted to mention that my hair just feels like the hair quality is like so much softer, and like the shampoo claims, there's not really much frizz, and that's something I like, because I always try to find products that will get rid of frizz, and none of them really work, but this one does, and I'm so happy. So far, I really have been liking this, and honestly, I have been getting a lot of compliments on my hair since I did start using it, so I feel like this is just kind of a good product for me. Again, it's been 4 days, so I'm going to be testing out the full 7, and I will let you guys know if I do anything different, and you'll be able to see. And yeah, I'll see you when I update you guys next. Okay guys, I know I look like super weird, but it is day 7. I totally forgot to update you guys the past 2-3 days. I just want to say that I'm really impressed with this shampoo and conditioner duo, and I will be purchasing more in the future, and I might even get a subscription because I do like it a lot. It's a really good shampoo and conditioner. I did put my hair in braids today, so I guess that's kind of an update. But beyond this, I won't be updating you guys on how it performs. If you do follow me on Twitter or Instagram, you might see a little bit more about the shampoo and conditioner if you want to follow me there and maybe follow up on how it's doing after a few months or so. Other than that, I really like how my hair feels. I like the outcome. Honestly, I get a lot of compliments on my hair, like at work, by customers, by friends, by family. They're like, oh my god, your hair looks so soft. It looks so good. They feel it and they're like, oh my god, your hair is so soft. It smells really nice, which I really enjoy. This shampoo did not have a heavy fragrance, which is something that I like because sometimes heavy fragrance can give me a headache, but this one had like a moderate fragrance where it was like it smelled good, but it didn't give me a headache, which was really nice. So I do see myself repurchasing it in the future. So yeah, that was the last of my updates. So let's just get into the outro. So sorry for like this totally like random outro. I was editing this video and then I was like, I fucking forgot to record one. So this is my outro. Here's my boy Yama. Yama the llama. I am still 8 years old. This is the end of the video. I didn't really give like a definitive like opinion on the shampoo and conditioner, but I just want to say that it is like my favorite thing that I use on my hair. I love it. It's so great. I will definitely be repurchasing it, and I think I might even get the subscription because I do like it so much. I have gone through it a little bit. I totally forgot to grab them in the shower, but they're literally like not even used. You don't even need to use a lot when you're using them, which is something I like because it lasts a really long time, and that's great. But that's all I really had to say about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and kind of like my investigation into this brand. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. If you have any constructive criticism, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And I will see you in my next video.